found the hole. I found the hole. If you want to come and know what I'm on about, see now I'm in my pool and I found a hole, head on over to this link here. I'll put it in the box down below as well. Come on over, give it a like, give it a subscribe. Find me on my Twitter and Instagram, Adelesexyuk, Cocoscope, Adelesexyuk, TikTok, Isidor's TV, and then my OnlyFans, the freebie, the $10 and the $91. Love you all. Click the link there and come and have a splashing time with me.